Hello everyone, this is Akosi's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today, I will be sharing with you how I made this delicious tilapia light soup. Let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So the first thing I'll be doing is to boil my vegetables, the tomatoes, onions, the green chili and the red chili for 5 to 7 minutes. Whilst I'm waiting for the vegetables to cook, I'll go ahead and prep my tilapia. So I have 2 large tilapia. I will divide it into 2 and then I will season some seasoning. You can use any spices that you prefer, but I have this 2 that I'm going to use. So go ahead and then smear it on your tilapia and then cover and allow it to rest. At this point, I'll go ahead and check on the vegetables. So it's ready. I'll go ahead and then blend the vegetables. So I added the boiled onions and ginger with garlic in a blender, and then I blend it until it's smooth. Repeat the same step for the tomatoes and the chilies. Put them in separate bowls. So once everything is ready, I'll go ahead and start the soup preparation. So in my saucepan, I will be adding the tolo beef, the blended onion, garlic and ginger, and then about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir everything together, add your seasoning and then a little bit of water. Cover and allow it to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so after 8 minutes, our tolo beef is ready. I will strain my blended tomato and chilies, and then I will go ahead and add water to make it a little bit lighter, because once it cooks, it becomes more thicker. So you can add more water if you want, depending on how thick you want your soup. But I think this is okay for me, so I'll go ahead and then add my tilapia. Once I add the fish, I will reduce the stirring. So if you have any stirring to do in this soup, you do it before you add the tilapia, because it's very soft and then you don't need to stir it that much. So I also added my smoked catfish, that's the adwene, and then the salted koobi. I won't be adding salt because the salted koobi has a lot of salt already. It goes by its name. And then also the tolo beef. So I will allow it to cook for about 10 minutes and then I will taste it. If I taste and then the salt is not enough for me, that's when I go ahead and then add extra salt. Okay, so this is the soup. It has been cooking for about 15 minutes. I'll go ahead and taste just to see if the salt is okay for me. Once it's okay, I wouldn't be adding any salt. So I'll go ahead and add some green chili and some red chilies because I really love chili. And then I'll cover it halfway and allow it to simmer for extra 5 minutes. And then the soup is ready. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our soup is ready. I'm going to go ahead and then serve this with my fufu. It's already lunchtime, so I have here my fufu, and then I will be adding some tilapia, the beef, bibian kakra, tilapia kakra, adwene kakra, tolo beef kakra, koobi kakra, moko kakra. I really enjoyed this food. It was so delicious, trust me. Okay, so one more tip. If you're not going to use the tolo beef or the koobi, then you have to add salt to your soup. Alright? Okay, so I'll leave you guys here and enjoy my lunch. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and then give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and then please click on the bell icon so whenever I upload you will be the first to watch. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone and Merry Christmas in advance. Please stay tuned for more recipes for the Christmas. Bye bye.